Hello, everyone. Welcome to Katie's Cleaning Service channel. Today, we're delving into what is included in a move-out cleaning service. Moving out can be a hectic process, and ensuring that your former residence is spotless can be a crucial part of this transition. Whether you're a tenant wanting to secure your deposit or a landlord preparing for new occupants, understanding what is included in a move-out cleaning service is essential. Deep cleaning services, a core component. Deep cleaning services are indeed the cornerstone of move-out cleaning. This type of cleaning goes far beyond the superficial level of regular or routine cleaning, embracing a level of thoroughness that ensures every part of the property is meticulously attended to. Going beyond surface level, dust and wash all surfaces, including the tops of cabinets, ceiling fans, and undersides of furniture. Eliminate accumulated dust and dirt. Appliance cleaning. Inside and out. Clean inside and outside of ovens, microwaves, refrigerators, and dishwashers. Ensure appliances are hygienic and presentable. Comprehensive bathroom and kitchen scrubbing. Bathroom. Scrub tiles, shower doors, and fixtures to remove soap scum, water stains, and mildew. Kitchen. Clean countertops, sinks, faucets, and all cabinetry inside and out. Carpet cleaning. Removing deep-seated dirt and stains. Shampoo or steam clean carpets to remove dirt, stains, and allergens. Rejuvenate carpets for a fresh look and healthier environment. Ensuring a property in pristine condition, leave property as good as new to help tenants secure deposits, attract new tenants, and uphold property value. Understanding the scope of a move-out cleaning service is crucial for a smooth transition during the moving process, benefiting both tenants and landlords. For tenants, it's about securing their deposit and maintaining a good rental history, while for landlords, it's pivotal in attracting new tenants and preserving property value. Schedule your stress-free move-out cleaning now. Ready for a stress-free move-out cleaning? Check out Katie's Cleaning Service, Inc., and let our expert cleaners handle the hard work for you.